case actually. Now, as you can see from this video, I do trust dropping it quite a bit actually. It's got reinforced sides and corners and all that stuff. The composite material absorbs these drops quite a bit.
3, 2, 1. Woo!
UAG drop test from hip level, chest level, ear level, flat drop test, face plant.
You're protected while you're on the go. This video will guide you through the installation and removal of your UAG exoskeleton case.
UAG product is independently tested and certified to meet military drop test standards. These cases set new standards for mobile device safety. Period. This is the ultimate protection. Rugged, lightweight, drop-tested protection your phone needs. Only